Well guys, with more 2022 Tundras sold, we have more information on what tires will fit, how to do a lift kit, will things rub, everything like that. So let's get into it. So hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. Over the last week or two, a good amount of Tundras have been sold, and of those, there have been only a few that have really taken the spotlight, showcasing how great these trucks look with bigger tires and a little bit of a leveling kit. So let's start out with what type of suspension is going to work for this truck. So far, all that will work for this truck is a spacer lift. So what a spacer lift is, guys, and I don't have the suspension for the Tacoma to show you because I sold it because I got new stuff on it. But what a spacer lift is you have the whole shock strut up front, and then up top on the top hat, there's like this little disc that will basically, you pull the shock out, you put that disc there, put the shock back up, put it back into the housing, and it extends the whole front. So some of these individuals are just putting a straight spacer lift on the truck, and they are available because the top hat of the front suspension is the exact same as the outgoing model. So any spacer or anything like that that you have for a 2021 Tundra and down will work. Now there's no full strut suspension for the front yet right now because the bottom half of that is different. So the top hat is the exact same, but the bottom half components are different. So no full suspension yet. What you guys see in photos is only a spacer lift in the front. The backs, as I've DM'd these individuals that have these trucks and talked to them on the Facebook group that I'm in, the back is completely stock. No one has touched the back of the truck yet. So by putting bigger tires on the back of the truck, some of these trucks have 35s, it just lifts the back end ever so much. So nobody has done anything to the rears of the trucks yet. As for tires, 35s are fitting on these trucks, basically no problem. So a lot of the trucks that do have 35s on them, they do have a spacer lift up front, but Jeremy's truck right here, this awesome midnight black TRD off-road SR5, he is choosing to keep the stock wheels. He has 295 70/17, so a little bit bigger than a 33 when you do all the tire math, but basically true 33s on this truck with no spacers, no wheel spacers, and he gets zero rub. So he is going to eventually put spacers on it. They may rub with spacers, and then he is going to do a leveling kit as well, but he is the first that I've seen at least to stuff 295s into the truck on the stock wheels, and he confirmed with us and everyone in the Facebook group that it does not rub at all. So that is very cool. You can put 33s on this truck stock with the stock wheels, and probably because the stock wheels have positive offset. The next thing is 17-inch wheels. We do not know if 17-inch wheels will fit the truck yet. I intend to put maybe the 17s VTX wheels that I have on my first gen Tundra onto this third gen Tundra whenever mine gets here. That is a video for another time. My truck is delayed. I will talk to you guys about that on Thursday. But it is not confirmed yet if 17s will fit on that truck. 17s kind of fit on the second gen Tundra. Some brakes, it just worked. It depended on the wheel really and everything, and you kind of had to shave down the brake caliper. But 17s could work on the second gen Tundra. It's kind of looking like they're not going to work on this third gen Tundra, but I intend to find that out for you guys by putting those 17s onto that truck just to see how it looks and if anything catches anywhere. So 17's not confirmed, and they probably won't work for the truck. But what we know, guys, for a quick recap, is 35s will fit on the truck. The top hats on the suspension system is the exact same as the outgoing model, and 33s on the stock wheels will fit with no rubbing at all. I mean, that is very, very cool that 33s will fit with no rubbing. So those that want a more aggressive tire without having to do any lift, any crazy modification, throw them on, man, and they will look good. And those TRD off-road wheels look killer with some meat under them. So guys, if you know anything else about any other suspension info with the Tundra, or you guys have heard anything else, let us know down in the comment section, and I will catch you guys in the next video. All right, see you later.